Lesson 12, Part 4. Vocab. First, ikebana, flower arrangement. Ikebana o naraitai desu. I want to learn flower arranging. Second, momiji, maple, red leaves of autumn. Momiji wa totemo kirei desu. The maple leaves are very beautiful. Third, dochira, which one? Kohi to kocha, dochira ga ii desu ka? Which do you prefer, coffee or tea? Fourth, dochira mo, both. Kohi to kocha, dochira ga suki desu ka? Dochira mo suki desu. Which do you prefer, coffee or tea? I like them both. Ichiban, the most. Ichiban sukina tabemono wa nan desu ka? Ramen desu. What is your favorite food? It's ramen. Sixth, zutto, by far. Sengetsu wa zutto hataraite imashita. Last month, all I did was work. Seventh, hajimete, for the first time. Kyou wa hajimete sushi o tabemashita. I ate sushi for the first time today. Eighth, o sushi, sushi. Sushi wa totemo yumei desu. That sushi store is very famous. Ninth, tempura. Seafood and vegetables deep fried in batter. Ichiban suki na tabemono wa tempura desu. My most favorite food is tempura. 10th, butaniku, pork. Butaniku to toriniku, dochira ga suki desu ka? Which meat do you like, pork or chicken?